the door needs to be adjusted. Right now it opens and shuts fine. You can tell as it closes, it kind of pulls down, which isn't a bad thing, but look at the other side. And it seems to be stock. There's no filler. The door is very straight, and nothing's been welded onto this. Still pretty straight. The door opens without moving up or down. I need to adjust the other side, and I want to adjust it so it better matches this gap on this side. But it's got a really wide gap at the top and a narrow gap at the bottom, and it's really tight across down here. And the front of the door is down about 3/8 of an inch, and it can come out. So I'm going to adjust the door before I go any further and get the height of the door and the position of the door right. Need to get the hinges loose in order to move things around. And everything I've read online about hinges they are a pain to loosen up. So I'm going to try to use the right tools and do things so I don't break anything. I don't want to break anything. So now that both the door side of the hinge and the body side of the hinge are loose, now I can actually adjust the hinges so that they're positioned properly, so that the door is the right height, and get things squared up. The door gaps on the front and on the back of the door can be adjusted. Unless there's been body damage, you should be able to get it reasonably close without shims. The hinge point is up front, and by moving the hinge in and out, it's actually on an angle here. By moving the hinge out, we'll move the door forward in adjustment to close this gap. To move the hinge backwards or interior will actually shift the door back. So interior will shift it back, exterior will shift it forward. You have to clear the front of the door as well. It's going to be kind of a pain, and it may take a while, so see how it works out. Alright, I've adjusted the door. The rear seam it's really close. I like it much better. Front gap, it's a little wide. Need to work on that. And I think this has got to be a little bit of body filler. So I'm going to check that out right now. Alright, now that the metal at the top of the fender where it matches the door is exposed, I can see that it's actually pretty straight. A little bit right here that's a little tighter than I want it to be, and probably adjust that. But I can also see that I need to move the top of the door out just a hair, and I can see here I may need to move the bottom of the door in just a hair. Door is definitely in a better place than it was before. And now I can fit the sill panels and the front fender and such, and get the lower section a little closer. As you can see, I have a lot of work to do. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe.